Rapid makes mouses. As we open up the packaging, show you how nicely it's packaged. You get the USB-C charging cable supplied. It comes in white. It's a nice, rugged, and strong mouse. Solid, white and dark gray, with your back and forward and spin wheel left and right. Quiet buttons. Please remember to peel all film off of the mouse underneath. And you have your Bluetooth buttons. Carefully remove the final film that exposes underneath your Bluetooth dongle. Charge your unit up for the first time by plugging in. You have a green light and a breathing blue light. In the center is off. To the front is 2.4. To the bottom is Bluetooth. And you have the DPI levels. When fully charged, remove the cable. Place onto the 2.4 dongle in green. Plug in your dongle. Acknowledgement, and the mouse is ready to go. You can scroll. You can click back and forth and more. Right-clicking opens up, and left-clicking will delete. If the dongle is not needed, simply remove, place back into the area, and lock up. Put on to Bluetooth. Open up your Bluetooth section, add Bluetooth device, add your mouse, choose R102 mouse, and close up. As the mouse moves around in a nice, comfortable DPI level, you increase it 1 level, 2 levels, slow, medium, and fast. Internal battery storage, strong, sturdy, solid, ergonomic, nice size mouse with left, right, scroll wheel pressing in, forward, back, DPI, dongle, and Bluetooth for Windows and Macintosh. Your mouse from RapidQ. Enjoy your mouse if this is what you are after. Thank you for viewing.